Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you the best anti-aliasing settings for your Lychee Slicer. Now, of course, in order to do this, you just want to navigate through the export button. And on the side of our screen, we'll be able to see the anti-aliasing option. Unfortunately, I am using the free version, so I don't have that option. But the best aliasing setting is going to be this specific setting right here. Now, most people use the anti-aliasing contrast blur, and for radius, they use 2 pixels or px. And for the gray offset, I believe you should use somewhere between 50% to 70%. And for the last two option, you could just set it to off. And basically from there, you have set the best anti-aliasing settings for your slicer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.